When it comes to paying for college, there are two main types of financial aid available: merit scholarships and need-based aid. Merit scholarships reward students for their achievements and excellence, while need-based aid helps families who cannot afford the full cost of college. Understanding the difference between these two types of funding is crucial for planning your education financing strategy. Both types play important roles in making college accessible and affordable for students across the country. Merit scholarships are financial awards given to students based on their achievements and demonstrated excellence, rather than their family's financial situation. These scholarships recognize outstanding performance in various areas such as academics, athletics, arts, or leadership. The key distinction is that merit scholarships focus entirely on what you have accomplished and what skills or talents you bring to the institution. Your family's income or ability to pay for college does not factor into merit scholarship decisions. Merit scholarships can be awarded based on achievement in four main areas. First, academic performance, which includes factors like high grade point average, standardized test scores, and class ranking. Second, athletic excellence, recognizing students who compete at high levels in sports. Third, arts and creativity, which covers achievements in music, visual arts, and performing arts. And fourth, leadership and community service, which honors students who have made meaningful impacts through initiative and volunteer work. Students may qualify based on one or multiple areas of achievement. Need-based aid is financial support determined by your family's ability to pay for college expenses. Unlike merit scholarships, need-based aid focuses on your family's financial circumstances rather than your achievements. The goal is to bridge the gap between what college costs and what your family can reasonably afford to pay. This type of aid ensures that talented students from lower-income families have the opportunity to attend college regardless of their financial situation. Need-based aid is calculated using three primary financial factors. First, family income, which examines annual earnings through tax returns and other income documentation. Second, assets and savings, including property ownership, investments, and bank account balances. And third, family size, which considers the number of dependents in the household and how many family members are currently enrolled in college. All of these factors are evaluated together to determine how much financial support a family needs to afford college. The key differences between these two types of aid are important to understand. Merit-based aid is awarded based on what you have accomplished through your academic, athletic, artistic, or leadership achievements. It involves a competitive selection process and does not require financial disclosure. In contrast, need-based aid is determined by your family's financial circumstances and aims to make college affordable for those who need help. It requires completing financial aid forms like the FAFSA or CSS profile to demonstrate financial need. The great news is that yes, you can absolutely receive both types of aid simultaneously. In fact, many students combine merit scholarships and need-based aid to cover their college costs. These two types of funding are not mutually exclusive. A high-achieving student from a lower-income family might receive merit scholarships for their accomplishments while also qualifying for need-based aid based on their financial situation. This combination can significantly reduce or even eliminate out-of-pocket college expenses. To maximize your financial aid opportunities, you should pursue both types of aid. Start by completing the FAFSA, or free application for federal student aid, to establish your eligibility for need-based aid. This is required even if you think you might not qualify, as some merit scholarships also require FAFSA completion. Next, research and apply for merit scholarships separately, as these typically have their own application processes and deadlines. By pursuing all available options, you give yourself the best chance of securing sufficient funding for your college education.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.